Hi guys and welcome to another video. So I'm gonna start a new series on the channel. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about natural language processing or NLP, which is an area of AI and computer science. Okay, so I'm gonna start by talking about when we use this technique to work on computer science, and then I'll talk about briefly about some of the tools that you might want to use to do this. Okay, so first of all, this is widely used in speech recognition, okay, natural language understanding, and natural language generation. We're talking about chatbots and other stuff, okay, which is pretty cool, by the way. So here's the history if you wanna read. There's tons of material out there if you wanna read, of course. So, but the revolution, uh, the state of the art, was only possible because of deep learning, and that's one of the reasons that why I'm gonna talk about deep learning, of course, uh, through this course. Okay, so there is some of the tasks that you wanna basically use. Okay, which is parsing, part of speech tagging, which basically we do this on a daily basis to understand some of the concepts. For example, if I wanna make a search, I need to create a sentence with a certain structure in order to be able to make a search. Okay, so for example, uh, to book a flight, as you guys can see, there are some examples here. If you wanna check that out later, you should definitely do it. There is semantics, namely entity recognition, which is one of my favorite topics because we are able to recognize people, places, date and times, and name of companies, etc. That's tons of applications for this. Natural language understanding, which is pretty much understand a sentence in order to be able to do something like a query or something like that. Okay, that is question answering, which is pretty awesome, by the way. It's very awesome. Okay, so this is just the basic, guys. I want to walk through a lot of the stuff. So thanks for watching the video. See you guys next time.